everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name's Ranooy. About 20 years ago, I lost my hair, and since then, I've been wearing wigs and hair extensions to help me regain some of my self-esteem and confidence. And now, I'm on a quest to start a hair company that's trustworthy and offers top quality hair at reasonable prices. On my channel, you can expect to see videos about wigs and different types of hair extensions, how to wear them and how to care for them. I'll also be bringing you along on this journey with me while I start my brand. Occasionally, I'll also be making videos about quick and easy hairstyles you can do with wigs and hair extensions. Expect to see new videos from me on Wednesday and Friday every single week. You can expect to learn how to wear wigs and hair extensions seamlessly with your own hair, and I'll also be teaching you about the different types of hair on the market. If you like the way this sounds, consider subscribing and turn on your notifications for all of my newest content. Don't forget to comment below and introduce yourself. I certainly can't wait to meet you.